Question 7. Chapter Electromotive Force. Calculate EMF of the following cells at 25 degrees centigrade in which the following reactions are taking place. Use E0 values from table. Reduction potential of magnesium is minus 2.36 volt, chlorine is 1.36 volt, zinc is minus 0.76 volt and iron is minus 0.44 volt. Now first part of the question, the equation that is given is magnesium plus chlorine is at 1 atmosphere pressure, is changing into magnesium ion. Concentration of magnesium ion is 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter plus 2 Cl minus, concentration is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. Now as it can be seen here, magnesium is changing into Mg2 plus ion, means magnesium is undergoing oxidation. So magnesium acts as the anode. Chlorine is changing into Cl minus ion. It is accepting 2 electrons and it is changing into 2 Cl minus ion. Magnesium is losing 2 electrons. So here reduction is taking place and chlorine is acting as the cathode. Concentrations are given. So cathode and anode are identified. Now magnesium ion concentration and chloride ion concentrations are given. You have to find out the EMF of the cell. Now EMF of the cell, applying the Nernst equation, it will be equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by number of electrons involved in this reaction is 2. Now log, what are the ions present in the product? Magnesium and chloride ions. So magnesium ion multiplied by concentration of the chloride ion divided by the concentration of reactant. Now in the reactant, this is metallic magnesium and this is chlorine gas at 1 atmosphere pressure. The pressure of chlorine here is 1 atmosphere. Metallic magnesium concentration will be taken as 1. So the overall value of denominator is 1. Now put the value for the concentration of magnesium and chloride ions. Here concentration of chloride ion will be raised to the power 2. Because in the balanced equation, the stoichiometric coefficient of chloride is 2. What is the E0 value of this cell? E0 value will be equal to E cathode minus E anode. Which one is the cathode here? Chlorine is the cathode. So 1.36 minus and magnesium is the anode, minus 2.36. So the E0 value will be 3.72 volt. Putting the values and solving for the first part of the question, EMF of the cell will be, E will be equal to E0. E0 value will be equal to 3.72. 3.72 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 10 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power 2. This can be written as log 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. Further, this can be written as log 4 plus log 10 to the power minus 6, which is equal to log 4 is 0.6 and log 10 to the power minus 6 is minus 6. So this is equal to minus 5.4. Putting the value here as minus 5.4 and solving, this is 3.72 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 multiplied by minus 5.4. So this is 3.72 minus will become plus 0.159. 0.159. So 3.72 plus 0.159, this is equal to 3.879 volt. Similarly, in the second part of the question, the cell is zinc plus Fe2 plus. Concentration of Fe2 plus ion is 10 to the power minus 3 moles per liter, changing into Zn2 plus. Concentration is 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter plus iron. Metallic zinc and metallic iron concentration will be taken as 1. Now as you can see, zinc is changing into Zn2 plus ion, means it is losing 2 electron. Iron is changing into Fe2 plus ion is changing into iron, metallic iron. So it will accept 2 electron. So at iron there is reduction, so it is acting as the cathode. At zinc there is oxidation, so it is acting as the anode. Once you have identified the cathode and anode, find out the standard EMF of the cell. So E naught value for this cell will be E cathode minus E anode. So which one is the cathode here? Iron is the cathode. Reduction potential of iron is minus 0.44 minus reduction potential of anode. What is the reduction potential of anode? Minus 0.76. So this will be equal to minus 0.44 plus 0.76. And this is equal to 0.32 volt. This is the E naught value. Now the next equation, EMF is equal to standard EMF minus 0.0591 divided by number of electrons, as you can see, used in this redox reaction. Change in oxidation state of zinc is from 0 to +2 and of iron is from +2 to 0. So electrons accepted and electron lost is 2 electrons. So this will be 0.0591 by 2 log. In the product, zinc ions are present. So log 10 to the power minus 4, this is the concentration of zinc ions, divided by reactant Fe2 plus ions are there, so 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 10 to the power minus 3, just cancel and you get 10 to the power minus 1. And what is log 10 to the power minus 1? Log 10 to the power minus 1 will be minus 1. Log 10 to the power minus 1, this is actually minus 1 log 10 to the base 10. So this is log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. See, log a to the power m can be written as m log a to the base 10. Now E naught value is 0.32. Now solve this equation. 0.32 plus 0.0591 by 2. So this value is equal to 0.349 volt. Log 10 to the power minus 1 is minus 1. So value of this part of the question is minus 1. This minus 1 when multiplied by minus 0.0591 by 2, it becomes plus 0.0591 by 2. And solving, the value of EMF of the cell is 0.349 volt.